Hi, and welcome to Fujitsu. Today we will be going over quick installation steps when using an Airzone zoning system connected to a Fujitsu AMUG indoor unit. Remember, when installing Airzone, you must have one main control board, one Blueface or Blue Zero controller, and at least one wired damper. For this initial setup, we will be using Blueface controller with a 3-foot piece of wire to assign dampers. After connecting your Blueface controller to your damper, you're going to go ahead to the indoor control board and hold down the SW1 button to reinitialize the system. Once that's done, you're going to want to confirm your language. We're going to pick English. Then you're going to want to confirm your units of degrees. We're going to go ahead and pick Fahrenheit. Then you're going to want to confirm your zone ID. For this video, we'll pick 1 for our zone 1. If this is going to be a main or a zone, remember, when picking main, this is where mode selection would be. And then go ahead and end out back to the main screen. Zone 1 is now configured. Now that we're done assigning zone number 1, we'll disconnect the Blueface controller with the 3-foot piece of wire and go ahead and place it into your second damper. Once that's done, your Blueface controller will automatically pick up your language and your units of degrees and then show you the next number, which is zone 2. We'll go ahead and confirm zone 2, and we'll just end out back to the main screen. Now that we've finished assigning zone 2, we'll take our Blueface controller and 3-foot piece of wire and plug it into damper number 3. Go ahead and power up our Blueface, and it automatically picks the language and the degrees of measurement and shows our next number for association. We'll go ahead and confirm zone 3. We can pair dampers at this time, but each damper is going to have its individual controller, so we don't need to link zones. We'll go ahead and press confirm, and we'll end out back to the main menu. We'll go ahead and plug in our individual controllers back into their dampers. Now that we have the individual dampers paired to the individual wired controllers, we can see now from zone 1 and our Blueface, and go ahead and tap zone, we can see all 3 zones from the main screen and have individual control of the zones if we like.